So it looks like we have some more leaks today. The Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro specs just leaked. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. As you guys saw in the title, the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro specifications just leaked by a reputable tech tipster today. So this was just uploaded 7 hours ago, and this article is actually from tomsguide.com. So if you guys would like to read this on your own time, I'll leave a link in the description down below. Now, as you guys know, the release of the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro is actually going to be dropping, I believe it's October 7th or October 6th, if I'm not mistaken, one of the 2 days. It looks like it's going to drop on those dates. We have the specifications right here. There was some other crazy news as well. Someone actually found, the Google Pixel Watch inside of a Target. So it looks like those units have already been received at Target, and it looks like Fitbit is going to be working in unison with the Pixel Watch, because I think Google actually owns Fitbit as well. So that's pretty cool. We also have an Amazon listing right here that's been going all around Twitter, and it looks like the Pixel 7 is on there as well, and that's on there for $600. They took it down shortly after. I think they made a little mistake, but if you put in the product number, you guys can actually still see that the Pixel 7 is up there for $599, and it shows you all the information and stuff like that. So that's kind of crazy. We got some cool leaks, and we're going to be getting inside of the Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro full specs list. So it says it looks like the Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro will be taking the route of evolution and not revolution when it comes to offering upgrades over the Google Pixel 6 range, at least going by the latest claimed Pixel 6 specs leak. This info comes from Yogesh Bar, a reasonably reputable tech tipster, who says the Pixel 7 will feature a 6.3-inch FHD Plus OLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate, the Tensor G2 chip, and other specs like a 4700 mAh battery. Bar has the Pixel 7 Pro down to use a 6.7-inch QHD Plus display with a 120Hz panel, 5000 mAh battery, and a 48 megapixel telephoto lens added into the rear camera array. So on paper, those are pretty underwhelming. The Pixel 7 looks set to be a little more compact, which is no bad thing, and has a bigger battery. And the Pixel 7 Pro seems set to be near identical to its predecessor. The upgrade to faster 30-watt charging for both phones would also be welcome. But the interesting thing here will be the Tensor G2 chip. So that's a new in-house chip that Google's producing. This second generation take on the Tensor chip has already been confirmed by Google, though we've not been giving a lot of information around its capabilities, and that's exciting. And do know that I'm going to be putting this phone through the ringer. I will be getting this phone. I am a part of Team Pixel, so I'm going to be doing tons of videos on this phone and tons of tests on it, so definitely stay tuned for that. It says the current Tensor chip allowed for functions like the magic eraser to smartly remove people and objects for photos with almost no after effects, as well as a host of other smart functions to do with and go beyond photography. So Tensor G2 could bring even smarter functions to the next gen Pixel phones. If nothing else, it could improve upon the features already used on the Pixel 6 phones. And a new chip could also improve the responsiveness of the under-display fingerprint scanner, which was annoyingly slow and inconsistent with the Pixel 6 phones even after some Google updates. I'm sure they learned from that, and I'm sure it's going to be better this year. It says we'll find out more about these features and get a full review of the Google Pixel 7 phones as well as the Google Pixel Watch very soon at the Google October event, October 6th. So I believe that's when the phones are going to be going on pre-order if they don't already have them out. So I'm super excited about this. I'm really more excited about the Pixel Watch though, because it seems like they're doing some unique stuff right there. The form factor of it as well looks minimalistic, looks sexy. I really do like the look of this, and I'm super excited about that watch, probably more than anything. The G2 chipset is going to be interesting as well, so we're going to see what that brings to the phone. But if you guys are excited about this, let me know in the comment section down below. I am super excited to check this stuff out. But hopefully this video gave you some value. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section down below. But this has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.